Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Kanchipuram location. So let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a vacancy for CA Intermediate or CA Fresher or CMA Inter or CMA. It is from Star Boxes located in Kakalur, India Estate, Tamil Nadu location. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. And for this post, two vacancies are available. Coming to education qualification, BCom with CA is needed. And ICWAI Inter, ICWAI pursuing students, CMA Inter, CMA pursuing students can eligible to apply for this position. Salary will be 25,000 to 35,000 rupees. Freshers or apply for this job position. So interested candidates, so you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9841441435. Next, there is a vacancy for lab in charge biochemistry department. It is from Adi Parashakti Hospitals located in Acharapakkam location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 30,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. Please check with the all detailed information provided here for the job position. And interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9894758447. Next, there is a vacancy for purchase executive position. It is from Rajan Group of Companies located in Kanchipuram location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. You should be having knowledge on sales knowledge, purchase knowledge, and stock maintenance. We should be know all these languages, that is English, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 994125 Next, there is a vacancy for training coordinator with NSDC certification. It is from Adiparshakti Hospital located in Acharapakkam location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 40,000 rupees per month. And please check with the job description provided here. Interested candidates, you can contact them for more detailed information about the job opening. The phone number is 9894758447. Next, there is a vacancy for accounts executive position from IN Jadai Controls India Limited. It is for female candidates located in Sriperumbudur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. So GST, taxation, invoice making, sales and purchase invoice account to tally, documents maintaining. So these are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the phone number, that is 97150 Next, there is a vacancy for front office executive position. It is from Shaditya Hospital, Pallavaram, located in Pallavaram, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 18,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. They are providing end-to-end support to the patients during their visit to the hospital, assisting patients with doctor's appointment, admit process of the patient, discharge process of the patient, completes patient care requirements by assigning patient-specific tasks and following up on work results, provides information to patients and healthcare team by answering questions and requests, maintains patients' confidence, and protects operations by monitoring confidential information processing. Candidates should be presentable, courteous, polite, and dynamic personality. And for this job position, MBA degree will be added advantage. So please check with the all requirements, all the responsibilities, and with the qualification details needed for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the phone number, that is 8939859803. Next, there is a vacancy for hostel warden. It is for female candidates from Mada Medical College and Research Institute. It is located in Kundratur location, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for a woman hostel warden for Mada Medical College and Research Institute. Interested candidates directly walk into the interview to the given phone number they have provided here, and interested candidates, you can call them with the given phone number, that is 8115201234. Next, there is a job vacancy for English teacher from Agastya Vidyalaya, located in Vandavasi location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. The trained graduates, postgraduates with experience is needed. Contract length will be 12 months. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number and get more detailed information. The phone number is 97900295777. Next, there is a vacancy for warehouse supervisor. It is from Flex, located in Sri Perumbudur location, Tamil Nadu. So they are looking for someone who demonstrates all these qualities, and please check with the all responsibilities needed for this job position. Qualification will be minimum 3 years of experience is needed. Strong experience in warehouse management is needed. Qualification will be BE or diploma. They are preferring for all these for the candidates who done their graduation in BE or diploma. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, that is dataprotection@flex.com. Next, there is a vacancy for mobilization executive position. It is from Anudeep Foundation for Social Welfare, located in Kanchipuram location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. And please check with the roles and responsibilities needed for the job position. And coming to qualification details, experience, minimum 2 years of experience as a student mobilization is needed for this position. So for detailed information, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8667547938. Next, there is a vacancy for RBB personal banker from HDFC Bank. It is located in Sri Perumbudur location, Tamil Nadu. For this job position, 1 to 2 years of experience is needed, and please check with the job description provided here for this position. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about the job position, and you can also apply using the website provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for RBB teller authorizer from the same bank, HDFC Bank. It is located in Stream Perumbudur location, Tamil Nadu. For this job position, 3 to 5 years of experience is needed. You can please check with the job description provided here, and for the details, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information for this job opening. Next, there is a vacancy for junior resident position. It is from Adi Parashakti Hospitals, located in Acharapakkam location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 40,000 rupees per month, and immediate requirement of MBBS doctors to work in Adi Parashakti Hospitals. So you please check with the all detailed information about this job position. Interested candidates, please approach them for with the given phone number, that is 9894758447. Next, there are vacancies for a customer service executive. It is from DCB Bank, located in Kanchipuram location, Tamil Nadu. Please check with the job description provided here for this job position. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. There is a vacancy for accounts assistant position. It is from XLT Engineers Private Limited. It is located in Perungalattur location, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 rupees per month. For this position, female candidates are required. GST filling accountant cum assistant, office assistant is required for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 94443 61700. Next, there is a vacancy for picker and packer from Big Basket. It is located in Kuttumbakkam location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 10,500 rupees per month, and interview will be held on 11th February 2021. So it is located in all these locations. 100 vacancies are available. Qualification will be BSc, BCA, BA, BCom and BE and diploma. Freshers and 2021 passed out students can also apply for this position. Male candidates are eligible. They are going to provide salary with OT and incentives, and shift allowance is also provided. And you can please check with the all details provided here, and for detailed information you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 6380386202. Next, there are vacancies from Lapitch Digital Service. They are hiring for the position of ambulance coder. It is from Ranipettai location, Tamil Nadu, and the candidate must have 1 to 2 years of experience in ambulance coding. Candidate can also be a fresher who has completed CAC certification. Salary is negotiable for a right candidate and must be ready to join immediately. So interested candidates, for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8838941337. Next, there is a vacancy for VMC operator from Venu Engineering Services Private Limited. It is located in Sri Perumbudur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 13,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. 2 to 3 years of experience is needed. Qualification will be diploma or ITI. Attendance bonus will be 1,000 rupees. So they are going to provide ESI and PF benefits. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 79048705882. Next, there is a job opening for assistant professor for general medicine. It is from Adiparashakti Hospitals located in Acharapakkam location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 1,50,000 rupees per month, and you can please check with the job description provided here. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9894758447. If you like the video, you can please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.